If you've inherited a house in Waterville, Ohio, or if you have a house in Waterville, Ohio that's going through the probate process, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying houses in Waterville and in the surrounding areas, and a lot of the sellers that we work with have gone through or are going through the probate process because they inherited the house. The last thing you need if you've inherited a house in Waterville, Ohio, is more complications or more confusion. I know firsthand, because I work with sellers all the time who inherit properties, the last thing you need is more confusion. It could be overwhelming in the process that you're going through, especially if there's attorneys involved, there's courts involved. The last thing we want to do is add stress to the situation. And one of our core values as a company is KISS, KISS. Keep it super simple. The way we're going to keep it simple for you is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So what that means is you're never going to be expected to clean or haul anything away or, God forbid, fix anything or contribute money out of pocket to make repairs or anything like that. We truly buy the property in its as-is condition. And what allows us to buy the property in its as-is condition is there's no lender involved. There's no mortgage company. There's no third-party approvals. We're actually a cash buyer. Sometimes when working with one of those traditional buyers, you know, the type that's working with a realtor or a real estate agent, and then they're working with a traditional mortgage lender, sometimes that mortgage lender, they're going to want to send through a formal inspector and then a formal appraisal, and you know, they're always going to nitpick the property. Sometimes they want repairs or repair credits, or worse yet, now they want to renegotiate after the appraisal. And really, you're giving all your power and control over to this buyer, over to this lender, because this is not going to close until the lender gives it the green light, if they ever do. And they very easily could just cancel the whole thing, leave you right back where you started. You're never going to have that with us. All of that is so avoidable. It's unnecessary, and there's no fees. There's no realtor commissions or fees or miscellaneous fees when selling to us. So we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition, and we're going to close whenever you want. So all the clarity, all the certainty, all the control is in your court. The ball's in your court. And if you want to close quickly, we absolutely could accommodate that. Or if you need more flexibility because there's other family members involved and what have you, that's okay too. We can accommodate flexibility if that's what you need. So if you have a house that you're looking to sell and you want to keep it extremely easy, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name, but we're all over the state of Ohio. We just were founded in Columbus. So when you inherit a property in Waterville, Ohio, it doesn't need to be complicated. It can be very simple. And when we get on the phone with you, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you want to close. We're going to make you a fair cash offer, and if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and communicate with you effectively throughout the whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to do sales tactics or gimmicks or, you know, waste your time or add pressure or anything like that. We are local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. We're not some call center that's located in some foreign distant land who has no idea about Waterville properties. We're very familiar with Waterville properties, and we're going to treat you right from the very first phone call all the way up until the closing table. So our phone number, once again, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.